The gentleman from Michigan, Mr. Benishek.
The gentleman from Michigan is recognized for 2 minutes.
Thank you, Madam Chairman. I rise today in support of H.R. 2406, the Sportsman's Heritage and Recreational Enhancement Act of 2015, or the SHARE Act. Madam Chairman, this legislation is vital to ensuring that federal agencies like the U.S. Forest Service and the Bureau of Land Management can no longer continue to prevent or deny full access to federal lands for activities like hunting, fishing, and recreational shooting. Access to public federal lands for these heritage activities is not only an important part of our shared American value, but also a significant contributor to national, state, and local economies. In 2011, in the state of Michigan alone, over 1.9 million hunters and anglers spent over $4.8 billion hunting and fishing. To put this in perspective, spending by sportsmen and women in Michigan generates over $576 million in state and local taxes each year. That's enough to support the average salary of over 10,000 police officers. Madam Chairman, when I was a kid, my family owned a small hotel and bar, and I worked making beds, filling ice buckets, hauling beer to save for college. And our business depended on hunters in the fall and winter and fishermen in the summer. Without those sportsmen, we would have no small business. There are small businesses like this all over northern Michigan and across America today. There are also grandparents, parents, and children all across the country excited for their next hunting and fishing adventure. That's why we must make sure that we do everything possible to ensure access to public lands for hunting, fishing, and recreational shooting on public lands for all Americans, including future generations to come. Madam Chairman, I urge my colleagues to support the SHARE Act, and I yield the remainder